Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Travel Guide Official, your ultimate destination for all things travel related. Today, we're embarking on a journey to one of Europe's most captivating cities, Lisbon. Lisbon, the cosmopolitan capital of Portugal, is a city steeped in history, culture, and charm. From its ancient alleys to its vibrant neighborhoods, Lisbon has something to offer every type of traveler. And what better way to start your Lisbon adventure than by snagging the best flight deals available? When it comes to finding the perfect flight, Travelup Flight Best Deals is your go-to resource. With their extensive network of airlines and unbeatable prices, Travelup Flight Best Deals ensures that your journey to Lisbon is not only convenient but also affordable. Check them out at Travelup Flight Deals and turn your travel dreams into reality. Now let's delve into what makes Lisbon such a remarkable destination. Lisbon's rich history is evident in its architecture, which blends Moorish, Romanesque, Gothic, and Baroque styles seamlessly. One of the most iconic landmarks is the São Jorge Castle, perched atop a hill overlooking the city. As you wander through its ancient walls, you can't help but feel transported back in time. But Lisbon isn't just about its past, it's also a city bursting with modernity and creativity. From its trendy boutiques to its innovative culinary scene, Lisbon is always evolving while still staying true to its roots. Don't miss the chance to explore neighborhoods like Chiado and Príncipe Real, where you'll find a mix of historic landmarks and hip cafes. And let's talk about the food. Lisbon is a paradise for food lovers with its fresh seafood, delectable pastries, and hearty stews. Be sure to sample local specialties like bacalhau, salted codfish, pastéis de nata, custard tarts, and grilled sardines. And of course, no meal is complete without a glass of Portuguese wine or a shot of ginginha, a cherry liqueur beloved by locals. When it comes to getting around Lisbon, there are plenty of options to choose from. You can hop on one of the city's iconic yellow trams for a scenic ride through its narrow streets, take a leisurely cruise along the Tagus River, or simply explore on foot. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not rent a bike and pedal your way through the city's charming neighborhoods? For the best views in town, head to one of Lisbon's many miradouros, or viewpoints. From the Miradouro da Senhora do Monte to the Miradouro de Santa Catarina, these panoramic spots offer breathtaking vistas of the city below, perfect for capturing that Instagram-worthy shot. And let's not forget about Lisbon's vibrant cultural scene. From traditional fado music to cutting-edge art exhibitions, there's always something happening in this dynamic city. Be sure to check out museums like the Museu Nacional do Azulejo and the Museu Berardo for a deeper dive into Portuguese art and history. As the sun sets, Lisbon comes alive with energy and excitement. Head to the Bairro Alto district for a night out on the town, where you'll find lively bars, cozy taverns, and plenty of opportunities to dance the night away. And if you're looking for a more relaxed atmosphere, why not enjoy a leisurely dinner along the waterfront in the charming neighborhood of Belém? But perhaps the best part of Lisbon is its people. Warm, welcoming, and always ready to share their love for their city, the locals will make you feel right at home from the moment you arrive. So whether you're exploring historic landmarks, indulging in delicious cuisine, or simply soaking up the vibrant atmosphere, Lisbon is sure to leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Now, let's delve deeper into the cultural tapestry that makes Lisbon truly unique. One aspect that stands out is the city's vibrant street art scene. As you wander through Lisbon's neighborhoods, you'll encounter colorful murals, intricate graffiti, and thought-provoking installations adorning building facades and alleyways. Artists from around the world have left their mark on the city, turning it into an open-air gallery that reflects the diverse perspectives and creativity of its inhabitants. Moreover, Lisbon's cultural diversity is also reflected in its lively markets. From the historic Mercado da Ribeira to the bustling Mercado de Campo de Ourique, these markets offer a feast for the senses, with stalls overflowing with fresh produce, artisanal crafts, and mouth-watering street food. Take your time to explore the stalls, interact with local vendors, and sample traditional delicacies like grilled sardines, cured meats, and artisan cheeses. For those seeking a deeper understanding of Lisbon's past, a visit to its museums and historic sites is a must. The Lisbon Story Center provides an immersive journey through the city's history, from its origins as a Phoenician settlement to its rise as a global maritime power. Meanwhile, the National Museum of Ancient Art houses a remarkable collection of Portuguese and European art spanning centuries, including works by renowned artists like Hieronymus Bosch and Albrecht Dürer. No trip to Lisbon would be complete without experiencing its vibrant nightlife. The city comes alive after dark with a plethora of bars, clubs, and live music venues catering to all tastes. Whether you're into electronic beats, live jazz, or traditional fado music, you'll find plenty of options to dance the night away. The Bairro Alto district is particularly famous for its nightlife scene, with narrow streets lined with bars and restaurants that spill out onto the sidewalks, creating a lively and convivial atmosphere. If you're a nature lover, Lisbon has plenty to offer as well. The city is blessed with several green spaces where you can escape the hustle and bustle and reconnect with nature. The Monsanto Forest Park, Europe's largest urban park, offers miles of hiking and biking trails, as well as panoramic views of the city. Meanwhile, the Lisbon Botanical Garden provides a serene oasis in the heart of the city, with exotic plants, tranquil ponds, and shady pathways perfect for a leisurely stroll. For a taste of adventure, why not venture beyond the city limits and explore the surrounding region? Just a short drive from Lisbon, you'll find charming coastal towns like Cascais and Estoril, where you can soak up the sun on pristine beaches, indulge in fresh seafood, and try your luck at the glamorous Casino Estoril, reputedly the largest casino in Europe. And let's not forget about Lisbon's rich maritime heritage. The city's proximity to the Atlantic Ocean has shaped its identity for centuries, and you can still see traces of its seafaring past along the waterfront. The Belém district, in particular, is home to several historic monuments commemorating Portugal's Age of Discovery, including the iconic Belém Tower and the Monument to the Discoveries, which pays tribute to the country's explorers and navigators. As you can see, Lisbon is a city that offers something for everyone. Whether you're interested in history, culture, food, or simply soaking up the sun, you'll find endless opportunities for exploration and discovery here. So pack your bags, book your flight with Travelup Flight Best Deals, and get ready to experience the magic of Lisbon for yourself. You won't be disappointed. Another aspect of Lisbon that deserves attention is its strong sense of community and hospitality. The locals, known as Lisboetas, are warm, welcoming, and always eager to share their love for their city with visitors. Whether you're striking up a conversation with a barista at a local cafe or chatting with a fisherman at the waterfront, you'll find that the people of Lisbon are passionate about their city and eager to ensure that you have an unforgettable experience. One of the best ways to immerse yourself in Lisbon's culture is by attending one of its many festivals and events. From the Lisbon International Film Festival to the Festas de Lisboa, which celebrates the city's patron saint, Saint Anthony, with street parties, parades, and fireworks, there's always something happening in Lisbon. These events offer a glimpse into the city's vibrant cultural scene and provide an opportunity to connect with locals and travelers from around the world. For those interested in architecture and design, Lisbon is a treasure trove of inspiration. The city's skyline is dotted with a mix of historic and contemporary buildings, ranging from medieval castles and Baroque churches to sleek modern structures. Be sure to wander through neighborhoods like Baixa and Alfama, where you'll find a fascinating blend of architectural styles that reflect Lisbon's rich and diverse history. And let's not forget about Lisbon's thriving arts scene. The city is home to a plethora of galleries, studios, and creative spaces showcasing the work of local and international artists. Whether you're into painting, sculpture, photography, or performance art, you'll find plenty to inspire and intrigue you in Lisbon's vibrant arts community. Of course, no trip to Lisbon would be complete without indulging in its culinary delights. The city's food scene is a reflection of its multicultural heritage, with influences from Portugal's former colonies in Africa, Asia, and the Americas. Be sure to sample traditional dishes like bacalhau à brás, salted cod with potatoes and eggs, caldo verde, kale soup, and cozido à portuguesa, a hearty meat and vegetable stew. And don't forget to save room for dessert. Lisbon's pastelarias, pastry shops, are renowned for their mouth-watering selection of sweets, including pastéis de nata, custard tarts, and bolo de arroz, rice cakes. For those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of the city, Lisbon offers plenty of opportunities for outdoor recreation. The city's location along the Tagus River and its proximity to the Atlantic Ocean make it an ideal destination for water sports enthusiasts. Whether you're into surfing, sailing, or stand-up paddleboarding, you'll find plenty of places to enjoy your favorite activities in and around Lisbon. And let's not forget about the city's parks and green spaces. Lisbon is home to several beautiful parks and gardens where you can relax, unwind, and enjoy nature. The Eduardo Zeven Park, with its manicured lawns and stunning views of the city, is a favorite spot for picnics and leisurely strolls, while the Jardim Botanico offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of the city center. In conclusion, Lisbon is a city that truly has it all. Rich history, vibrant culture, delicious cuisine, stunning architecture, and natural beauty. Whether you're exploring its historic landmarks, indulging in its culinary delights, or simply soaking up the sun along the waterfront, Lisbon offers an unforgettable experience that will leave you longing to return again and again. So why wait? Start planning your trip to Lisbon today and discover the magic of this enchanting city for yourself.